Horses are beginning nicely at the start. Madam Teresa, Yes Boy, Queen Rampire, Jan's Memory. Then followed by Rebel Roser, Cats Diamond, and Isabel is racing in there. A solo leader, Madam Teresa, by about 6 lengths. Queen Rampire in second. Yes Boy is racing in third. 3 lengths. So in fourth comes Jan's Memory, Isabel, Rebel Roser, and Cats Diamond is racing in last. And it's still Madam Teresa by about 5 lengths. Queen Rampire still in second. Yes Boy now trying to get closer in third. Jan's Memory in fourth. Madam Teresa by only a length. Queen Rampire. Yes Boy now moving about as they come to the last 50. Madam Teresa, Queen Rampire. Yes Boy sorry outside. Jan's Memory in fourth. Madam Teresa, Queen Rampire. Yes Boy sorry outside. Queen Rampire takes the lead. Yes Boy sorry outside. Queen Rampire. Yes Boy. And finally close finish. Yes Boy, Queen Rampire. Then comes Madam Teresa, Jan's Memory.